You're contemplating bringing a lawsuit for your accident or your medical malpractice matter or even a wrongful death matter. And now you're thinking, if you try and settle this case during the course of the litigation and you're not successful and the case goes to trial, will the jury learn about your pretrial settlement attempts? You want to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now you've brought a lawsuit, and during the course of your civil lawsuit, you're trying to negotiate your case. You're trying to settle your case prior to trial. But what happens if you're not successful? For whatever reason. Either you don't like the defense's offer, or the defense comes in or doesn't offer you anything. Now you're going to trial. And you're worried that once you go to trial, the jury is going to learn that you tried to negotiate this and were unsuccessful. Is that going to impact your ability to try this case? The answer is the jury is never, ever told about any attempts to try and settle the case. It has nothing to do with their function. The jury's sole purpose and sole function is to determine who's right and who's wrong. Who do they believe is telling the truth? Who is credible? Who is not credible? And who is entitled to a verdict in this particular case? That's what the jury is required to do. And now their sole function is going to be listening to the testimony, listening to the evidence, and then applying the law as the judge gives it to them in that particular matter. They are never to learn about any settlement discussions that go on either during the course of the lawsuit or during the course of trial. And if by some chance they do learn about some type of settlement discussion, that might be grounds for a mistrial. So why do I share this quick tidbit of information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding to some of the things that go on during the course of the trial process. You know, I realize you're watching this because you're deciding whether to bring a lawsuit for your injuries, and now you're trying to figure out what to do next. Well, if you have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I do this every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.